Hi friends, so this is the chart of the Nifty, right? If you're able to see here, this is a daily chart of the Nifty. And what should we do actually? If you see the chart of this Nifty today, it's extremely bullish candle, right? And after so many days, so I think almost more than 1 month. If you remember this one, this is the 21st of June. Such kind of like a candles we had over here. It is similar of that candle, right? And after a long time, maybe after long consolidations, can you see here what sort of the breakout we have got? And really it didn't really even come to touch this level and has given extremely on the top of its like a day's trading high closing. So that is something very good sign. Now what is the next we need to do tomorrow, right? Otherwise rest 2 to 3 days that is coming of this week, right? What should be our strategy? So for me, if you look at here what I have put here, so generally what happens if the market has given this sort of breakout, there should be a sort of again consolidation for 1 to 2 days. If that consolidation, that is a range bound, that will be there, and that will not be have a very violent move, that can one of the possibilities there. Or if this is the breakout and tomorrow if it is not breaking out the high of this candle, then again I would say that the market will take place to consolidate here around. But I don't think the way the buying has taken place, it significantly showing us that tomorrow also market will be opening a gap up only, right? So after gap up, what you need to do is you need not have to like chase that gap up. So just wait for little retracement. As I am able to see, as for tomorrow, even the Nifty may come down to 16,080 and 70 zone will be there. That probably during the day we might see that, and from there if it reverses back, then only we can go for trade, like initiating a trade. So in order to understand this, we'll see in a very short time frame, right? Let us try to understand in the 5 minutes chart what actually it happened. That's a great chart. If you look at here, this is the chart here, and see, and most often what I have been observing, whenever the market is opening up gap up, please remember this one, this works a number of times. This is my back tested and I have worked number of times, right? It really works. Whenever the market is opening up gap up in the first 5 minutes candle, right? And 5 minutes candles high and low is a very significant like a zone for you to identify what should be the market like moving ahead, whether it is going to be a swing or like a volatile. So if you see this candle low, the 15,914, right, which is not at all touched even during this retracement, and from this retracement, as I was saying previously in the daily chart, right, exactly it happens sometime that it will come to taste at 50% of the first 5 minutes candle or daily candles retracement that takes place. Exactly it happened in the same way, but from here it reversed back, so it was a good point to take the trade again. So this was the clear indication that price action is going higher, right? And from here, if you see, one thing I have always been observing, whenever you have the swing trade, generally what happens, I'll show you, right? So this kind of trend follows very rarely, but it happens tremendously great. Look at this. So exactly this kind of trade, right? Unless you just draw this kind of what is called trend line, and you trade on this. Whenever it is coming near to this place, again you can take this. And what happens, so the most of the times I have observed, you can also observe, whenever there is a trendy market, the 5 minutes chart, you can see the number of the red candles is very less, right? And this is generally happens after huge buying of the 3 to 5 candles, then after again there will be a little retracement of the red candles, so that happens, right? So that should be understanding the Nifty. And in order to understand this also, we'll go in a small time frame, again 15 minutes chart, right? If you see the higher high and lower low, higher high, the pattern is going on, and higher high, then higher low, that pattern can continue, right? So we'll see tomorrow again, I am saying. So I will be looking for the retracement, then after I am going to trade maybe from the other side. Others looking at the price action, it may also sometime take tomorrow very drastic and a retracement, and that may come even to the 16,000 can be possible, right? So that should be understanding. And if you look at the bank nifty here, bank nifty really gave it significant move from here. So tomorrow I will be looking for the retracement to come till this level, then I will initiate, but I don't really think so, right?